College students, how would you like to own a place and still be able to walk to class? This affordable unit is just steps away from the University of Minnesota's St. Paul campus. Let's go check it out. Hi, Ryan Temmel here with Milestone Realty. I help people just like yourself buy, sell, invest, and relocate to the Twin Cities area in Minnesota. If you are wanting to see my newest listing, which is located in St. Paul, scan this QR code, fill out the form, and we will schedule a time for you to come and have a private showing. If you prefer, you can text, call, or email me. My info is in the description below. Let's talk about where we are at. So today we are in the St. Anthony Park neighborhood located in St. Paul, which is steps away from the University of Minnesota's St. Paul campus. We are also just a few miles down the road from St. Thomas University and Hamline University as well. So if you are a college student or maybe even a faculty and need to be close to one of those campuses, this could be the place for you. This neighborhood is also known for its tree-lined streets, classic architecture. There's tons of cozy coffee shops if you want to do some studying and or just want a good place to hang out and read a book. This has lots of that near and around you. We are also just a few miles down the road from Allianz. I can't pronounce, I think that's how it's said, Allianz Field, where they play soccer, and you are very close access to Highway 94. So getting around town or to either downtown areas, Minneapolis or St. Paul, is very easy. One of my favorite things about this location is we are just minutes down the road, a couple miles from the fairgrounds. So come August, and when it's time for the State Fair, you just have to walk or even take a short bike ride, skip the parking cost, and heck, you could go every single day and enjoy all the amazing food and people watching that the State Fair brings, if that's your thing. And if you buy this place, I hope it is. So that's a little about this location. Let me tell you about the house. This is a 2-bed, 1-bath, just shy of 1,000 square feet. The unit does have its own garage that you get to use and park off street, so you don't have to worry about finding parking spots on the street, which is awesome. And your car stays clean in the winter. You get a shared laundry room, which you don't have to pay for every time you do laundry. It's included in your HOA fee, which is super nice and not always the case in units in Minneapolis or St. Paul. There is controlled access into the building, so you can buzz people in, and that helps with safety. And there's also there is also property management and building professional management that includes lawn care and snow removal, things like that, landscaping, that you don't have to worry about. It's all included in your HO fee, as is sewer and water. So some of your utility costs are included in that HOA fee as well. So I think you're ready. Let's go check out this unit. thanks for coming on the tour. If you are looking for a low maintenance lifestyle that is close to college campuses or just being in the city, why don't we go ahead and book you a showing? Scan this QR code, or you can text, call, or email me. The info's in the description below. If you like seeing videos like this and you never want to miss our newest listing, hit that subscribe button, hit the bell so you get notified anytime we put out a new listing and or video. I really appreciate it. Thanks for watching, and always remember, I'm Ryan Temmel, and I'm here to help you reach your next real estate milestone. We'll see you on the next one.